welcome to another staycation. Today I'm here at Loews Hotel. I'm going to give you guys a room tour, but before that I want to show you guys my outfit. If you've been following me for a while, you remember this suit from New York Fashion Week. I just love it and I think I have to put more use into it. Welcome to the Deluxe King Suit Tour. Coming in to your left, you will find a beautiful full body mirror. Right next to the mirror is a door that leads into the bathroom. Love that the bathroom was separated from the shower by a gorgeous vanity. Across the bathroom is a mini coffee station with a safe and fridge underneath. To the right of the fridge is a coat closet with some Loews robes, hangers, an iron, and a luggage stand. At the center of the room, we had a comfortable king-size bed and a lounging section right next to it. The spotlight of this room was adorable floor-to-ceiling windows. Loews offers a swimming pool that has an intimate hot tub. Opposite the pool is a fully equipped gym with a beautiful view of downtown Kansas City. On the main level of the hotel is a lobby, a bakery, lounge areas, and the Stilwell restaurant, which we'll be dining at later tonight. Just got done shooting from the common areas and we're about to head to a private mini lunch. We're supposed to be there just for like an hour from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. It's currently 3:40. It's just 4 minutes drive away. I think we're going to be able to get there right on time. But this is what I'm putting on for the mini event. It's like a little blazer dress from Nasty Girl. Literally twins. Top tier kid. Woo! We are getting their signature chicken, the dry rub, and gosh, if I can remember the names, but it looks so good. Let's try the with one first. Cheers. I like it. Crunchy, it's really good. We are about to head down for dinner. It's currently 6:50. Our dinner reservation is at 7. This top is from H&M. My skirt is from Nasty Girl. Bella from Express, you guys saw it earlier. Accessories from Express. We are all in satin black tonight.
We're just matching today.
We're literally really matching. So cute.